What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, guys. I don't know if you know about Rebag. Rebag is a website that sells, used luxury items, but some of them are in good condition. Some of them are, they rate their items as fair, good, very good, and then excellent or something. So, and I was trying to look for another wallet. I know I have a lot of wallet, but this time this is gonna be my last wallet, guys. I promise. I'm not gonna buy any more wallet ever. But actually, this one is just by mistake, and I accidentally pressed the place or accidentally hit or click the place order button, and I purchased it cash, guys. I know. I'm so luxury items that you can pick and choose, guys. From Hermes, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Balenciaga, Tiffany, everything is there, guys, for affordable price. And you can also pay it like monthly payment. You don't need to pay it like all in one time, but if you have a lot of money, you can pay it all in one time. So yeah, so visit Rebag, and you will see a lot of luxury items there. So anyways, what we are going to unbox today is the another wallet that I actually, I'm not gonna order this. It's just that I accidentally pushed the place order button. I don't know why. And yeah, so anyways, let's open this, guys. Alright, guys, so inside the box there's nothing. Since, well, actually, when you order stuff, if it's excellent, and excellent means the item is in good condition, very good condition. Some of them excellent, but there are no accessories, like it doesn't come with a dust bag or box or anything. But the one that I ordered, it was fair, but when I checked online, it looks good. And I don't know about in person, because that's why I'm gonna show it to you guys. So they wrap it in a nice tissue paper like this, and then it comes with this what is this, like a card or something. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, oh look, they put it in a, like a, you know a regular desk bag, guys. So open it. Yeah, I've never ordered a you a card, like a authenticity card from Rebag. It says there's Rebag, certified by Rebag, and it has the code, the brand, and the model of the wallet. So I ordered Zippy Wallet Damier Infinity Leather XL. So sorry, guys. See, look, my hands are still red because of the paint. So that's the card, and that's the item that I ordered. And they also have a QR code, that means. So they're gonna send you this card. And actually, I want to order one more thing in there, and I promise myself that I'm never, ever gonna order again. But, anyways, so it comes with this huge, OMG, look at how big this dust bag, guys. It's not the original dust bag, it's from Rebag. So I don't know why they put it in this gigantic dust bag. So it says here Rebag right there. So anyway, ooh, OMG, guys, look at this. So this is the wallet. So it's another wallet. This is gonna be my forever wallet. I'm not gonna buy any luxury wallet anymore. I promise, guys. I promise myself. So, anyways, I have this wallet. This one, I'm still using it, guys. But since I ordered this one, mm, no, I'm still gonna use it, guys. So, oh my goodness, look, it's still in good condition, guys. So if you buy it like right now, this is gonna be like 1,000 something dollars, guys. So it has a tag that came with the wallet. It says here Rebag right there, the tag, and it says buy, sell, and exchange the most coveted designer handbag and accessories. Enjoy your purchase, blah blah blah, endless access to luxury. Yeah, if you're in the budget, guys, and you want some luxury item for yourself or for somebody that you love, you can go to Rebag and you can save a lot of money because they don't sell any fakes in there. Everything is like original. So this is the inside. It looks so, oh my, it looks so new, guys. Look, it looks like it never been used before, and I'm looking for the tag. Where's the tag? hmm. Hold on, guys. All right, guys, I'm looking where the tag says made in Spain. So there is the tag. It says Louis Vuitton made in Spain. Yeah. So I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right there. So it says made in Spain. So, anyways, guys, so this wallet have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 16 credit limit, guys. And this wallet is so huge. This one is good for travel wallet because you can put your passport, put your cell phone in it, and then a lot of compartments, guys. So there's a bill compartment here, and this one looks like a cell phone compartment. I don't know if it looks like my phone's gonna fit in here. There you go. And then another compartment here, and another one here, and another one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 compartment, guys. So this is gonna be my forever wallet. So, and it also have a handle here, so you can carry it like this. And yeah, it looks like a damier, um, damier pattern or something. But this one, it says here damier Infinity. Yeah, it is Damier. It's just that it's leather and it's all black. I like this one because it's not loud. People ain't gonna know that you carrying a Louis wallet because it's black. And yeah, and then on the zipper it says Louis right there, zipper. And then the zipper is buttery smooth, guys. Look, so smooth. So yeah, so this wallet, let me measure it to you guys. So it says here it's 8.5 inches. So 8.5 inches, and then about 5 inches like tall, like that. So yeah, you can put a lot of stuff in here, guys. So just pretend this is my cell phone, and let me see my cell phone. So, well, actually, my cell phone ain't gonna fit on the cell phone holder because when this was made, I think it was made, I don't know, a few years ago. And I have a big phone. I got an iPhone 12 Max Pro, so it's not gonna fit in here. But I can put it here on this side, so I can put something here like for something else or whatever, guys. So yeah, so on the zipper inside it's also say Louis Vuitton. So it's the same zipper, it's just a mini me of this zipper pull on the inside. And let me see the inside of this coin holder. Yeah, oh my goodness, guys, look, everything is like, everything looks new. So yeah, I am so um satisfied with my order. So even though I made this order by mistake, and yeah, but totally I'm gonna buy more at Rebag, and I don't know when, but for now I'm gonna enjoy this wallet. Yeah, so I'm gonna enjoy this wallet for now. But let me see. I'm just gonna show how many cards, but you've seen it on my other video, guys. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So you've seen it on my other videos, how many cards that I put on my, my Zara wallet right here. By the way, this one doesn't have any like a strap. You cannot put it on your shoulder like a crossbody bag. So this is like, you know, a regular wallet. So I'm just putting some of, my card, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna buy one more thing at Rebag, guys. Another Louis bag, but not right now because I don't have any money. Whatever. I know you're gonna say whatever. So, oops. Let me see. Okay. Hold on, guys. Sorry.
2,000 years later.
Ugh. Yeah, looks like this wallet never been used before. Maybe the previous owner is very careful on his or her stuff and take good care of this wallet. So there you go. So there are eight card um on this credit card slot, and you can also put another eight here on the back. So you can put like 16 cards total, guys. So yeah, so this wallet is so worth it. What I paid for, and yeah, and a lot of stuff in here. I like this one because you can open it like widely like this, and the leather is like so soft. See, it's so soft, guys. The zipper is buttery, guys. And I bought this for a very cheap price, guys. So yeah. So anyways, this one again is authentic. The leather is so soft, and it's in black color, and it's very discreet, guys. It doesn't look like Louis, but when you close to it, you're gonna see that it's a Louis Vuitton wallet. And yeah, I like this one because it's black, all black, and yeah. So I wish it has like this one, the shoulder strap, so you can use it as a um, what do you call this, crossbody wallet bag or something. But yeah, so this is gonna be my forever wallet. So this one, guys, is accordion style wallet, so you can open it like widely like that. You can see it's everything that you have inside your wallet. It's easy access, and yeah, a lot of compartments. You can put a lot of stuff in here, guys. You can put as many as card as you want. You can put your credit card, your lip gloss or whatever. So yeah, so this can be either male or female, guys, but yeah, so I'm very satisfied. So yeah, I like, go to Rebag website, guys. Visit that website. A lot of good luxury items, and yeah, they will tell if it's good or not good, guys. But this one says there it's fair, and but look, it's kind of like barely used, guys. It's almost brand new. There's also some of this, and it's more expensive, but I think the reason why is because it has some accessories. It has like dust bags or box that came, originally came with the item, and this one doesn't come with anything, guys. It's just the wallet. So yeah, but yeah, so anyways, I think this is gonna be my video for today. I'm sorry, guys, I don't have any shopping video this week because I don't have time to go to the stores. Maybe next week, hopefully, guys. So yeah, so as I was like looking all around this wallet, guys, there's nothing, there's no scratches, no nothing. It is barely used, guys. It looks brand new and still smell good, guys. So yeah, so again, this is gonna be my wallet. No more purchasing wallet. I'm not gonna purchase any more wallet, guys. It's gonna be my wallet forever. So yeah, so anyways, thank you for watching my channel, and if you're not subscribed, don't. Woo! What?